Hey, hold up. Alright. He's got you. Hey, follow me, key.
Drive slow.
First Lieutenant Nicholas C. Bakes, 2nd Combat Engineer Battalion. Today, yeah, we had a breach coming off of the LCACs. We left the USS Wasp about 1100 a day, hit a little bit of surf, and took the ABV with the mine plow off, did a breach. There's a whole mock breach, went through the whole 9 yards between launches, det, all the procedures. From that point on, we're gonna push over to the rafting area. That's where we're going to raft across the intercoastal with the ATSB, and then by that time, about an hour from now, the rest of Kilo Company 38 should be onshore, making their way north to link up with us at LZ Osprey. From LZ Osprey, we have a route clearance platoon that's going to be clearing the way forward with the breacher vehicles in trace in case we have to do a breach, and then 38 will be right behind us. And our ultimate goal is to get all the way up to Combat Town, where 38 is going to do an evac. And they're going to pull civilians out and evac them back to the ocean. Lima Company is also up at Combat Town. They're going to come south, and that's where the whole evacuation piece comes into play. Okay, well, right now we got one ABV. It's got a full width mine plow. Another one was supposed to have a bulldozer blade, but something happened to it. Responsibility-wise, these are obstacle clearing detachment vehicles, assault breacher vehicles. We go in, clear minefields, we reduce it, we proof it, and we mark it, and we make way for the others to come through. These vehicles were designed for assault breaching, ABV. So that's what the whole scenario was set up for today. Yeah, right now, Marine Corps just got a whole big institution of upgrades for the ABVs. So every one of our ABVs, right now we got 5. They're picking up huge upgrades, dealing with comm, like live systems. We've got a vest in there that keeps the guys cool. And we're also getting some surface mine plows used for ICMs on roads. But that's about it right now. I'm sure there's more, but we kind of gotta run.
5?
Yeah. My name is Second Lieutenant Allen. I'm with 38 Kilo Company, and right now we just got off of the USS Wasp. We made a amphibious landing here on Onslow Beach. We're about to conduct just an operation in Combat Town aboard Camp Lejeune, and everything that we have used, or at least with us, is organic to infantry company. We're just going to be executing a mobile patrol. The mission is set around escorting 2 U.S. citizens out of Combat Town and getting them back safely to the U.S. Embassy, which is 38's CP. I do one because I just arrived to the unit, so it is their first opportunity to interact with me and to operate with me, as well as for me to be with them. Just being able to spend a few days on the ship, getting to know some of the guys, and then being able to kind of put a planning package together for them and give them a mission, and to see kind of how they operate is going to be crucial for me as far as their platoon commander goes, and then to help them develop in their skill sets as we progress further on for future operations. Mostly I was involved with just executing and coming up with the plan for this operation as far as landing here and the operation that we're going to be conducting today. That involves sitting there, getting briefed, getting the intel that we need as far as on deck, what we'll have, organizing and preparing all the vehicles that we'll be taking, all the weapon systems that we'll have, all the personnel that we'll be carrying. Outside of the planning and the briefing, it's really on the squad leaders and below the team leaders to ensure that everything else is running smooth. The way that we're turning down and the missions that we're going to be receiving, I truly believe that this is a good turning point as far as the missions that we're going to be doing. Getting the Marines involved with kind of some non-combatant operations, kind of still dealing with the local populace, having their presence be known, but still incorporating that, being respectful to the people of foreign countries or wherever we end up going. And so this training right here definitely kind of implements that. It pushes us in a right direction to execute those type of operations. No, to be honest with you, the overwhelming part, yeah, it can come during the planning portion because there are a lot of pieces that go into it. Even though we haven't really received such an enemy threat at this time, there is a presence known. It's a very small presence, but we haven't had enough intel to be able to build on that. So that can kind of be overwhelming as far as trying to, one, calm the Marines down, but two, to plan around that and plan according to that. We don't know the size, we don't know anything about the enemy as far as their capabilities, and so we have to kind of go and orchestrate something that allows us to be able to adapt to whatever may present itself. And so dealing with the training and this aspect, this is a great opportunity again for them to be able to see something new, maybe see something a little different than what they've already been working on. Yo. All right, come on back. On, Dana. Go. Bring your weapon all the way up, just keep this ready. Bring stairs. Cool, y'all be right outside. Arms with Dana upstairs. Ready. Just watch the stairs. Hey, take these 2 rooms, I'll keep the stairs. United States Marines, looking for 2 U.S. citizens. All right, stairs. Greg in front, I got back.
Marines coming up.
Reagan, Medina, clear the room behind us. Arms cross covered, watch the opposite door. Stay there, don't move up, don't move up. Somebody in that room? They coming around? You good? Hey, clear that last room back there in the back. I know y'all are going in. Yeah, he's right here. Watch the door. Is there any more stairs anywhere? All right, let's go. Clear out. All stations, be advised. Hail Mary, I say again, Hail Mary.
reaction, copy on all.
Somebody's coming out.
Roger. Now, take up position with Doc over there, opposite side.
You can just move up the side.
Arms, far corner. Medina, close corner. Down the road. Giles, watch the other building. Kehoe, down the alley. Doc, watch our ass. Reagan, corner of the building. Doc, line up with Reagan. United States Marines, we're looking for 2 U.S. citizens. Of course. United States Marines, we're here for 2 U.S. citizens to escort them to the U.S. Embassy. Nothing. Give me 3. Oh. Where's my 3rd man? Giles. Reagan, pick that up. Doc's got the road. Doc, pull in. Wait. Doc, stay here. Watch down the road. Staying close. Go. Move up. All right, check the room. Wait. One on the corner, stay there. You 2 check the room. Two behind me, check this one.
Stairwell here.
What?
Stairwell.
Stairwell. Hold on, stairwell. Clear? Clear. All right, come out. All right. Arms. Check the opening. See there's a door. Go left. I don't know who you are. We're going to a room.
Justice, please! Left green! You got stairwell there! Stairwell right from left!
All right, we got 2 stairwells. Arms, what's up? Clear. Arms, keyhole, hold.
Holding!
Arms, pull back, hold in the doorway. Giles. Who's that? Keel, with me. Hey, somebody hold on that door. You 2 in the room. Door. Hey, Griggs coming up.
Green's coming up!
Hey, found the citizens. Go back in the doorway. Go. Come on, U.S. Marines, let's go. We're getting out of here. Down the stairs. Down the stairs, go on the left. Go straight. U.S. citizens coming out! Pull him back, keep your security on the way up. Arms, pull your guys in. How many? 2. He's got 2, sir. One is finished clearing the building. Pretty sure we only got 2 though.
You guys, you know of any other U.S. citizens around? You're the only 2?
Giles, pop outside the door. Arms, go with him.
How did they brief you on anything?
Yeah, somewhat. They just told us that we were going to do citizens.
Okay. Yeah. Right. You don't look like the other one in the picture.
But the other one couldn't make it because he's on the bluff. No, Cruz, because he's
Cruz?
Yeah, he's the BA.
Okay, no, that's good. All right, that's all. I know we're gonna basically take you.
He'll stay in here with the lieutenant.
You're staying here, right?
Yes, sir.
Are we taking back to the truck still, sir?
Yep. Go ahead and send me a question.
back column, moving back. Shall we do before we get into the bigs? Go, Val, you're number 2. Doc, pull in number 3 man. Or 4 man, sorry. Behind me. Actually, never mind, Kilo's got it. What's up, guys? Gotta take the rest of